welcome back to my channel. I'm Anushka, and with this video I'm starting a new series on my channel called Celebrity Reads. Now this of course is inspired by none other than Jack Edwards. If you haven't come across his channel or checked out his videos yet, then the link to his channel will be in the description box below. Go check out his channel because he is doing such a great job. He's spreading the word about reading because he knows the power of influence, as we as people get influence from our favorite celebrities. I mean, with this video as well, everybody knows there are millions of views in a video where Alia Bhatt has shared her skincare routine, because guess what? We want to know what her beauty regime is, what she wears, what she even eats in a day, what she does in a day. I mean, whoa, that's a lot. So why wouldn't you want to know what she even reads in a day? Because that is a good thing. Reading books, as we all know, is great. So, and of course this video is not a gimmick, okay? This is not based on any news article or any of those rumors. This is actually based on her Instagram stories and posts. She actually shares the books she reads on her Instagram handle sometimes, and I actually saw some books. So in this video I'll be sharing some books which I read, which Alia Bhatt has read as well. And if you want to know that, then keep on watching this video. I hope you get influenced in the right manner. Even if you don't follow my advice on reading books, at least follow Alia Bhatt's advice on reading books, because she really likes reading. With that said, let's just quickly get started with it. Now, there were few books which I'd already read myself prior to her recommendations, and there were few books which I purposely read based on her recommendation for this video itself. And the first book on that list is I've Never Been Unhappier by Shaheen Bhatt. Now, don't just read this book because it's written by Alia Bhatt's sister, but read this book for the content, for the writing. This book is actually written so wisely, and it talks about mental health, depression. It's actually a memoir of Shaheen Bhatt, wherein she talks about her struggle with mental health, with depression, anxiety, analyzing her own feelings. What I like about this book is, first, of course, the writing. Shaheen is a great writer, especially those few pages wherein she shared her diary entries, one page after every chapter. I like that so much. It is brutally honest. It does not, romanticize depression or, mental health. It educates you. So even if you're not going through a phase, I would recommend you to read it because it will educate. So the second book on my list is hands down the most popular book of the last decade or this generation as well, and it needs no introduction at all. It is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. Now, I have my personal opinions on this book. I do have a physical copy as well. I feel like it is an overrated book, and I've shared my honest opinion in one of the videos. I don't really dislike this book, but I feel like it's an overrated book. But it's not about my opinion, right? This video is about Alia Bhatt. So great news. If you like this book, if you really love this book, then you share the same thoughts with Alia Bhatt, because she actually quite likes this book and this story. I don't think I need to talk about the story or the premise of this book, but in short, it's about this girl named Hazel and Augustus, both of whom struggle with cancer, different types of cancer, and it's about their life, their journey through it, their struggles with cancer, and how they form a special bond. A lot of it as well. I quite like the ending speech, but that's it. And yeah, that was the second book. This next book is actually one of my favorites, and it is A Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee Divya Karuni. Now, if you're one of those who shies away from reading mythological books like myself, I'm assuring you from my personal opinion that you will really like this novel, because guess what? It's extremely fast paced, and you won't feel like you're reading a mythological book. Instead, you will feel like you're reading an adventurous thriller or, a fiction book. Now, this is of course a retelling of Mahabharata from Draupadi's perspective, that is Panchali, as she is referred in this book. And after reading this book, I of course got a new perspective. I learnt a lot about Mahabharata just by reading this book. And as I said, it's a fast-paced novel because you actually go through the whole Mahabharata in just those 300-350 pages, and there is so much that happens in this book. And not just that, I quite like the writing of this book. The vocab, the terms that are used, I actually searched some words while reading this book. This next book is one such book which I came across after Alia Bhatt's recommendation, and I'm so glad I read it. It is Small Fry by Lisa Brennan Jobs. Yes, it's a memoir written by Steve Jobs' eldest daughter, whom he did not want to accept as his own. It's a controversial topic. You can just Google about Lisa Brennan Jobs, you will learn the whole story. But in short, this memoir is about Lisa, about her life growing up in a dysfunctional family where her mother, traveled to different places. She did not have money to survive. A father whom she longed so much. And don't just read this for Lisa. Read this book. I'll recommend you to read this book to learn about the celebrity life, about the people whom we idolize so much. I mean, we as normal people think that celebrities or our idols can't just make any mistakes. They are always right. But we forget that the people we put on pedestals are humans as well. They might make some mistakes. They're not always right. Being successful does not mean that you can't be wrong. When people read Steve Jobs' biography, they think they want to be like that guy. But if you want to be like that, you have to sacrifice some things. I mean, after reading this memoir, I realized that he was not good at relationships. He was not good at expressing his feelings. You have to understand that there are two sides to a coin. The next book on the list is a classic. Yes, like everybody else, Alia Bhatt has read some classics, and the one that she has shared on her Instagram is Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. A classic which I personally quite like as well, and I feel like I know why Alia likes this book. Just as assumption, and that is because I've read I've Never Been Unhappier, wherein Shaheen has shared that she and Alia are just the opposite. Alia is this bubbly little girl, and Shaheen is this rational, little shy and introvert kind of a girl. And that's the same case in Sense and Sensibility, wherein we have Dashwood sisters who are just opposites. Eleanor is this rational girl, a little introvert, and then we have Marianne, who is bubbly, who is sensitive, and that's the story, how it progresses, wherein they search for their ideal match, their future husband. And Alia has shared that this is one of her favorite books, for her favorite love stories. So if you're one of those who likes reading classic, that Victorian drama in Jane Austen novels, then I'm sure you will quite like this novel. Now, last but not the least, I have a biography, Her Again by Meryl Streep. Now, if you don't know who Meryl Streep is, she is one of the most acclaimed actresses of the Hollywood. She has for herself not just one, but 3 Oscars, 3 Academy Awards. She's one of those actresses who can fit and excel at any role. She can perfect any accent, and that's her skill that makes her different from other people, that distincts her. And this book, this biography, tells her journey, how she joined a theater, how she learned acting, that innate, that instinct of acting from within, how she got her first role, how people recognized her, how she bagged her first movie role, and everything related to art. This book talks about acting in general as well. It gives advices on life as well, relationships, and people who mattered in her life, her struggle as well at times. And you might enjoy this book. I quite liked it because I already knew about Meryl Streep. I watched some of her movies. One of my favorite is, of course, you must know it, it's a very popular movie, The Devil Wears Prada. The boss in that movie is Meryl Streep, and I understand why Alia Bhatt recommends this book, because it talks about acting, and it's coming from one of the most acclaimed actresses. Which is why she recommends and quite like this book as well. If you're not from film background, or if you're not looking, if you're not an aspiring actor as well, just read it to learn about life in general, because there are some tidbits in here there about words of wisdom in this book as well. So I would recommend this book to you as well. The writing is quite easy to read. And yeah, that's it with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, if you haven't taken my word for reading books, now is the high time that you do. At least not mine, but Alia Bhatt's word for it. She recommends reading book. It is quite beneficiary as well. If you're one of her favorite, if she is one of your favorite celebrities, if you follow her religiously, if you idolize her, and if you follow her religiously, then it's high time that you get influenced in the right manner and pick a book for yourself and read right now. And I hope this video helped you. And with that said, I'll see you later with another video. Also, if you have any more suggestions, if you want me to make more of these celebrity reads, just comment down below and let me know which other celebrity books you would like to read, because there are few more Indian celebrities who have shared their favorite books on their on their social media handles and have talked about their favorite books in interviews. I would love to make more such videos. With that said, I'll see you later with another video. Bye bye.